Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is Mikhail again, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can log into your etrade online banking account. Before starting the video, if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell icon and stay tuned for more upcoming tutorials. Now let's get into the video. First of all, in your desktop, open any web browser that you are comfortable with and then add the URL, search for etrade bank. Once you press enter, now click on the very first link that says us.etrade.com. Click on there and then you will be directly directed to the official page of etrade bank. After that, to open any account, at the upper right corner of your screen, you will see log on option. Click on there and then you will be loaded to your login page. There at user ID, enter your user ID and then just below that enter your password. And now if you want to save your user ID for the next time you log in, you can tick mark on that option, or else you can also log in with your security code. For that, again, you have to tick mark on this option as well, and in here you have to type in your security code. After that, scroll down and you will see go to, and there you can select your accounts or your portfolio, option trade, markets, bill account, bill pay and at work. So you can select any of those as you want. And if you have forgotten your user ID or password, you can simply recover that. If you click on user ID, you will be able to recover your user ID, and similar with that, if you click on password, you will be able to recover your password. Now to log in, simply click on log on and you will be directly logged into etrade. So this is how you can log into etrade online banking. I hope this video helped you, and thanks for watching till the end.